Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1970 Boss 302. Beautiful car, finished in bright gold with a black interior. You don't really see this color around a lot. Reflective stripes. Beautiful spoil underneath. Gorgeous, gorgeous metal all the way around on this car. She is 302 4-valve. Notice right away it's got all the right clamps, all the right hoses, all the right belts. Very, very correct in here. This is a counter exchange block, which means it was done under warranty at Ford many years ago. Look at that original rev limiter. It's pretty cool. This kind of went out the window. But it's nice to see the originality in this car. Trim tag. Color K, it's bright gold. Very rare color. It's the first time I've ever seen this one in person. Beautiful floors. It's kind of stuffed in here, so I'm really just doing the best I can. Get some slack. See the reflective stripe on the side. Pretty cool. Car runs great. Unfortunately, I cannot start it in here. Buckets, 4-speed, or shifter. It's really dark in here. Showing 55,742 miles. Super correct in here. It's a great investment, this car. Pull down back seat. Again. Sorry, I'm a little cramped. Struggling with light. It's pretty cool to see one of these modified, original state, original color. Very correct. Very cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.